wish you did today. Hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. Don't forget to take good care of yourself. Prioritize your health. Watch out your diet and have exercise. Anyway, I just want to ask how are you everyone and how is your day? Just wanna see have a good night's sleep. Everyone, sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. I need to exercise my hand. See, because sometimes my hand is became numb. It's painful at night. Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night because it's became numb and I cannot feel anything. Need to exercise so that the blood will circulate properly. See, because the vein in my hand is became big here. Oh. See, you can see my hand. Oh, the vein in my hand is became big, and because the blood will not circulate properly. We need to exercise. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. I love you all. I miss you all. Good night. Bye. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.